Alright, real quick I'm going to show you how to properly install your props. The props for your Cinewhoop geyser are going to want to have the angled pitch down. So the pitch that goes down, so it's fatter here, it's thinner here, and the prop pitch is down. It's going to go on the rear left on the way we're looking here, but it's actually the rear right if you're looking from the front. But basically the two rears should have the slope of the pitch downward, the fat end towards the center, and the thin end towards the outside direction. To put those props on, just rest them on top nice and like where they go. Take a small driver, 1.5, or just a pin of some sort that's metal. Push down. You're going to push the prop down over the balls, and then you can remove what you were the tool, but you'll see that the inside of the Popo prop button is still depressed. That's because you have not seated the ball bearings yet. To do that, you're going to hold the motor and you're going to turn the prop until it snaps that center section up. Right there. You just turn it back and forth just a little bit and it locks in place. The prop should have a small bit of play, but not much. It should not move downward or upward, and that's because it's got that rubber grommet underneath. To remove the prop, we're going to again push down with just a standard kind of pick of some sort that's metal. We're going to lift up past the ball bearings, and then we can pull the prop off. So we're going to put this one back in one more time. So again, all of your props on the rear and on the front should have the fat section and the higher part of the prop near the center, the lower part, thinner part, which the pitch down towards the back or the front. So we're going to put these props on all four spots. Making sure also that the prop is right side up. It's right side up again. It's pretty easy to see, but basically you should be able to read the lettering and the words on the props themselves. And there we go. We have all four props installed, all in their proper position. And again, to take them off, really simple. Use driver or a solid metal stick of some sort. Push down on the center, release the ball bearings, and pull the prop up.